I probably get around 20 to 40 cold DMs a day on my Instagram. Some of them are funny, some of them are ridiculous, some of them are actually good. So let's go over some of the cold DMs that I get today. I'm just gonna check it out. Let's just review some cold DMs together. And yeah, I'd love to give feedback to these guys, right? And I'll tell you, okay, what I like about this DM, what I don't like about this DM. This might actually help some of you guys with your outreach. For me, I just laugh at people that beg in the DMs to work with me. I think there's so much better approaches, one being personal brand, which I preach and I talk about. So it's very, very interesting. So yeah, let's get into my phone and let's see what DMs we see. First one I got here, it says, yo, I don't usually slide into someone's DMs, but I want to drop some feedback on the reels you're posting at the moment. I think they could be significantly better in many ways if I'm being blunt. Again, I don't intend to sell you anything, but we just got one of our clients 7M views in less than 10 days. Might sound crazy. We could 8x your Instagram account growth within 90 days. Would that be worth a chat? I actually kind of like that DM. You know why? One, he kind of neutralized some things saying, yo, I'm not trying to sell you anything. Showed the result, 7 million views. The reason I still wouldn't reply is because I don't care to talk to this guy, but maybe something he could have done is I actually want to show you the breakdown and see how that would apply to yours. Can I send that over to you? This is would that be worth a chat? You're already asking for the call right away. You want to kind of just get to know them. Again, know, like, and trust. Right now, I know you. I don't like you. I don't trust you. Yeah, the 7 million views is cool and all, but nothing makes me really want to open the DM. So I can see why this might work, but I think it could be better. Oh, wow, this guy's been DMing me. So this one says, hey, Parikshit, I got an amazing opportunity for you, brother, with these eyes with the stars. Already, this is just weird. I don't come on, man. You're begging, man. You're begging. I got an opportunity for you. I don't think some of you guys understand your audience enough where they're this is not what attracts business owners. I got an opportunity for you. You know how many times we hear that a day? It's actually too much. Just reading that makes me not want to read the rest of the DMs. I can also create you a course which will generate you a nice passive income and build your reputation. I don't want to read the rest of this DM. I'm going to go with this person's profile real quick. Oh, yes. They are private with no videos. So, again, they want to help me build a course and help me build passive income. I go on their profile. It doesn't reflect that they're private. This shit don't work, man. Shit don't work. It's not just about the DM, right? It's about your profile as well. Hey, I was wondering if you had any question or are interested at all. I'm not fucking interested. I'm going to ignore you, dog. Hey, smiley face, exclamation mark, exclamation mark, exclamation mark. Just to update you that we have the world's best strategy to grow your Instagram profile. We help maintain likes, engagements, so our clients are happy. So engagement is really important. What you say? I understand it's a new week, so don't want to disturb you. So I'll keep this brief. Your content is truly impressive, and I'd love to discuss your page along with some what bro, discounting. I don't even know what you're talking about. What is your offer? Are you gonna grow my Instagram profile or high discounted offers? Bro, man, bullshit. Bye. Hey, how are you? My name is Isabel and I'm a video editor. Are you looking for video editors to help out with the editing of the videos, thumbnails? Let me know if you're interested. Thank you for your time. Okay, this one, I know it's a bit basic, but I kind of like it because they just got straight to the point. Maybe what I would do is value. I wrote some notes on certain things that if you were to make just these 1-2 changes, I think it would actually super improve your video. Can I send you that notes? Then I may be open to actually send me the notes, right? Versus you need a video editor, because if I am looking for a video editor, I'm not gonna find them in my cold DMs, right? I'll probably actually hire. Again, I think feedback and giving value in that way might have been better, but what I will say I like about this, it was very simple and to the point. I got this one right here, May 15th. I like what you're doing. I saw your videos. Those are great. Would you mind if I ask you a few questions? And the same person yesterday said, I like what you're, same thing. Bro, people are so lazy, man. I like what you're doing. I saw your videos. Those are great. Would you mind if I ask you a few questions? No. I don't want you to ask me questions. I actually do mind if you ask me questions. I would never reply to this DM. This is so basic and garbage. And you just copy pasting. See, you guys don't add any personalized element to this shit. That no wonder it doesn't work. Another one here. Hey, I like your page and I really like it. Wanted to offer you editing service that our company offer. We offer quality editing service that will fit your taste of editing. Gonna make you. The thing is, guys, I know I'm reading this, but it's just a block of text and I don't give a I don't care. I don't care. Send me a message and I'll fill in you about all the details and prices that I know will fit your needs. So you don't even know me. I barely know you, like you, or trust you, and you're already talking about pricing. Yo, Parikh. That's not even my name. My full name is literally in my bio. Shows you how lazy people are. Really love the content, brother. By the way, do you provide any type of coaching or training at the moment? If you were to just even do a little digging, you'll know I do. That's why I don't even reply to this. It's so cheeks. I have someone, this one right here, right? It's like people, they're like, hey bro, I'm just looking for, if you have a newsletter, let me know. Again, if you just do a little bit of research, you'll see I'm an email marketer. Of course I have a newsletter. I do like that they reply to some of my stories, but like a lot of these are just very inauthentic. Very, very inauthentic. That's why they don't work. Hey, love your content. I just wanted to ask a quick question. Is this a good place to ask? You already asked me flipping 2 questions. I seen so like, yo, some people write some shit that makes me go like, are you guys retarded? Like, you know, excuse my profanity, but like, come on, man. Hey, yo, bro, let me know when you're free because I got something that is important to you. Let me know when you want to talk. I go on this guy's profile. It's a picture of a car. The bio says, want to help serious SEROUS people. Oh my God, man. I don't even want to screenshot this, guys. Oh my God. Hey, I'm sure you get messages like this every single day. My name is blah, blah, blah. I'm a marketer. Bro literally wrote an essay. I'm not going to read this, yo. I am not going to read this. Let's not even review it because I'm not going to read that. Like that's what you guys gotta know. I'm not going to read that. This one's kind of good, okay? Richard, I just made 10 short viral videos for TikTok and Reels from your YouTube channel. Can I send them over here? I could distribute them to you daily on 100 accounts under your name. Also, I could create 10 to 100 secondary accounts under blah, blah, blah. See, this one's kind of good because this person's like, yo, I've already made this video. Let me know. So if I know what he's trying to do, but see, this is actually coming with values. Like, yo, I already did something for you. Can I send it over? It's kind of nice. And he also like is talking about solutions that actually I might need and it might be worthwhile. And then after that, this person started sending, you know, some screenshots of some testimonials. And this person follows up a lot. Like, I'm not going to show the follow-ups and everything, but it's like, send me a video. Okay. It was better than the other ones, but still. What's up, Raja? My name is Raj. What's up, guys? Raj here. Saw your page while looking for an appointment setting job. I'm a qualified setter certified with New Age Setter. I'll be glad if you reply this message and I'll see if I'm a good fit. Would you ever text a girl? I'll be glad if you like reply to me. I really like you. Like, needy. Hey Raja, do you have any one-on-one coaching programs? Had a question about it. Then I click on his profile. It says bootstrapping and scaling online biz ops past a couple of mails. So I can already tell what he's trying to do because I'm smarter, but you know, simple, go to a point. I like it. I can see why people that have coaching programs are like yes and start talking to you. Hi there, looking to elevate your content and make a big impact? We've got just what you need with a range of video packages. This is the equivalent of if this person was to DM a girl. Hey there, looking for a guy that's gonna change your life? I've got exactly what you need. Just let me know and I'll like, you know, figure it out or some like weirdos, man. Anyways, guys, I can't do this anymore, man. Let's last one. Hey, found you on my Reels feed. Your content is great, man. Fire emoji. But your views are very low. The reason is low quality editing and no advanced strategies. I want to help you grow. I'll actually offer you a free full edited video made with our strategy and I guarantee it will get 20k views. And if it doesn't get 20k views, I'll pay you $100 for your time. You know what? I kind of like this because if I might have actually want to be like, all right, send me that video because I actually want to see. I'll call y'all on your bullshit. And he kind of gave me a little risk reversal of like, I'll give you $100. I'm pretty sure there's like, you know, a catch to it. But I do like it because it's to the point. I'm not a fan of the emojis. Some of these just look so templated. They sound so templated, right? So I kind of want you guys to avoid that. But yeah, honestly, let's just stop it at that. I think we might do it again. I think most of them I was just hating on it and I was just giving, you know, I wasn't the biggest fan of. Again, like I said, cold DMs, they do work if you do it effectively. I'm still a big fan of just personal branding. I'm just not the fan of begging in the DMs. You know, like I said, know, like, and trust. I'm really big on that. How would people know you? How would people like you? And how people will trust you is honestly through personal branding content. It's not through begging the DMs like, yo, I'll write emails for you, right? Because the trust factor is not there. Right? I don't like you and I just know you. So that's why I'm big on personal branding. Some of them were good, some of them were horrible. I actually want to do this again. I'll save some of the really good ones for the next video as well and we'll review the good ones and go from there. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's kind of fun. I don't know, I kind of had some fun making this video, so there's that. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video and we'll do it again. Like for part 2. If you enjoyed this, please comment what you guys enjoyed about this and yeah, we'll go from there.